Toothbrush.
Toothbrush.
I brush my teeth with my toothbrush every morning. Toothpaste.
Toothpaste.
Don't forget to use toothpaste when you brush your teeth. Shampoo.
Shampoo.
I wash my hair with shampoo every other day. Soap.
Soap.
You should wash your hands with soap before eating. Comb.
Comb.
She combs her hair before going to work. Hairbrush.
Hairbrush.
She brushes her hair with a hairbrush every morning. Towel.
Towel.
After a shower, I dry myself with a towel. Razor.
Razor.
He uses a razor to shave his face. Razor blade.
Razor blade.
He needs to change his razor blade. Shaving cream.
Shaving cream.
He uses shaving cream to shave his beard smoothly. Aftershave.
Aftershave.
He applies aftershave after shaving to soothe his skin. Beard trimmer.
Beard trimmer.
I use a beard trimmer to keep my beard neat. Floss.
Floss.
It's important to floss your teeth every night. Mouthwash.
Mouthwash.
Using mouthwash keeps your breath fresh. Nail clipper.
Nail clipper.
I need a nail clipper to cut my nails. Foot file.
Foot file.
I use a foot file to remove rough skin from my heels. Nail file.
Nail file.
She uses a nail file to smooth the edges of her nails. Sunscreen.
Sunscreen.
She always applies sunscreen before going to the beach. Hand sanitizer.
Hand sanitizer.
I use hand sanitizer when I can't wash my hands. Facial cleanser.
Facial cleanser.
She uses a facial cleanser every night before bed. Facial wipes.
Facial wipes.
I use facial wipes to clean my face after a long day. Body lotion.
Body lotion.
After a shower, I apply body lotion to keep my skin soft. Lip balm.
Lip balm.
In winter, I always carry lip balm with me. Hair dryer.
Hair dryer.
I use a hair dryer to dry my hair quickly. Tissues.
Tissues.
Keep tissues with you in case you need them. Foot cream.
Foot cream.
I apply foot cream to keep my feet soft. Pumice stone.
Pumice stone.
I use a pumice stone to remove dead skin from my feet. Loofah.
Loofah.
I use a loofah to scrub my body in the shower. Cotton swabs.
Cotton swabs.
Be careful when using cotton swabs to clean your ears. Cotton pads.
Cotton pads.
I use cotton pads to remove my makeup. Bathrobe.
Bathrobe.
After a bath, I put on my bathrobe. Conditioner.
Conditioner.
After shampooing, I use conditioner to make my hair smooth. Hair gel.
Hair gel.
He uses hair gel to style his hair. Antiperspirant.
Antiperspirant.
He uses antiperspirant to stay dry during the day. Perfume.
Perfume.
She sprays a little perfume before leaving the house.